Yesterday I made a PENGU price prediction and I said we go here at the 200 EMA and we short, and look at the beautiful short we had for 2.5%. Exactly took profit at the bottom. I didn't change it. This is exactly what I wrote down in the last video. This is my trade. This is how it looked like. This is it. And you can even see some confirmation of 15 minutes, like an easier target would have been 9-1, which is right here. But yeah, I'm just very happy with the results of this trade. So the question is, what will happen with PENGU right now? How do I plan on trading it? There's a few things, a few patterns that are emerging. So the first thing I want to do is check out the liquidations. And we'll go to Binance 1 week. And by the way, this video is not finished twice. We just liquidated a lot of people. So this is enough liquidations for us to enter a short. Where will I short? And hopefully we can capitalize on this week and the 50 EMA. I would also be interested in taking more shorts around here, or more shorts around the 20, or maybe I'll also take longs here as well. So here I'll take longs and here I'll take more shorts. So I'll mark these two levels are out. 31.3-ish will be where I'll add to my shorts, and I might start adding longs if we see shorts closing at this area right here, where a lot of weak lows will have their stop losses at. I want a long where they have their stop losses at. So I want to see longs closing, shorts closing on the bottom. We already have 4 mil. Look at this. We're actually dumping as we speak. Okay. I'll also announce this in my Signals chat. If you want to follow the trades, use the link in the description and down below for the Signals chat. Also for my course, I'm updating it this week with some futures content. See you next video. Bye.